it's looking like with 1/2 done. Put the extra decal on there. I just put it on and then put some packing tape over that area just to, I was going to scan it and do all that kind of stuff, but like I say, I don't want to put way too much work into this and you know, just go out and find out that it's even worse. So yeah, quite a bit more wing area there for sure. We'll take a look at the bottom. Stripage and gone down the side there. I might actually end up cutting those right at the red at that, but for now, just to do that. And I was going to do this white, but I don't have very much white packing tape left. Might not even have enough to do the top on the other side, so I'll have to get some. I'm checking the weight here, and this wing is 98 grams. That's the one with the logo on it. It's 93 grams, so look at that. Just 5 gram difference, which is basically nothing. It's almost the weight of, you know, a couple really small little screws. So now we have our wings done. The length is the same, and second wing is alright. Looks like that. Okay, so we're just going to mount it to the airplane, and we'll try a lateral balance on it and see how that's going to be. Well, there's the finished product. I guess you'd have to say it's finished, and looks okay. Wings are, you know, when you pick them up from the wingtips, are, you know, they curve up a little bit. You know, they're a little bit bendable, but it's a fairly large wing as in comparison to what it was. So that's what the extra 300 is looking like with the wing edition. Okay, well, I guess we look forward to getting it out. I'm just going to weigh the whole thing just for the heck of it. Well, it's balancing our weight somewhere around 36-37 ounces as it kind of wiggles around. Now that's with the battery in there, so you can measure yours or weigh yours and do the comparison. And we've taken off some stuff. We've taken off our wheel covers and carbon fiber. There's my cat. She's just a large cat, isn't that right? Who is that? Is that my cat? That's my doggy. Okay, so we're going to see what we actually took off for weight. We took away 1.7 ounces, you know, give or take, whatever. That looks like 47 grams. And I can't remember what the wings weighed when we did that, but we can do the comparison anyway and do the math. That's it. Hope we accomplished something. Hope I learned something. Hope something that I did can pass on to you. Well, 8/29/10. There it is. We're back out in the wind. Wish it would be not a day where there's no wind, but take off the street. Hopefully we don't have to go into the mud pie to retrieve. And whatever.
That's just when you choose to go out.
Never go any other time. try it again and change my CG. Put the battery forward and try to keep the good part of it. To get some of that, because it looks like sort of X-hedral there when you look straight at the wing. I think that's just what's happening. So anyway, yeah, because we've flown in wind like this before, but it seems to be less. It certainly has more lift than what it has, but has a lot of down thrust too. So we're gonna have to just try it on a not so windy day. I think so. You know, that first one out there was bad. You know, I was very lucky. So whatever, I guess everything held on, so it's a good thing. You know, it didn't crumple apart. So okay, thanks. Signing out on this chapter. What I've done is I've actually taken off that side addition that I had on here. I came home from work yesterday and it wasn't too bad a day as far as the wind was concerned. I just went across the street. I have a park and I tossed it in the air just to let the thing fly, and actually hovered not too bad. I was pretty surprised. I want to Harrier it, okay, but with the flight that happened in the wind the other day when I went out there, and saying, you know, just the way the thing is bowing up and down, I'm going to be able to change the characteristic of this airplane, but I'm taking away what it really did well to try and make that, you know, form pretty nice. On this one here, I have a little bit of lift that happens in that one corner. I may have to change that, but I'm gonna give her a try. When the plane was flying, okay, I had some of this sort of going on. Okay, just a little bit of this, and then she would touch my down elevator. She'd get to a down thrust mode, and I think the wings were just slightly bending a little bit because I didn't have any of those carbon fiber tubes, just 7 inches of them. So this is still the bottom, or this is the top of the wing with the servos reversed because I had them underneath. Okay, I thought that maybe, okay, switching the wings around, but you know, when I took it out for that one flight, when the wings were this size, less this area, and it's, you know, like 1.5 inches, you know, and it might go down to, you know, maybe 3/4 of an inch at this end. I didn't notice any real difference. Now, again, it was windy and all that kind of stuff, but we'll try to get some live action footage as soon as I get into a day where it's a little bit nicer outside. So, nice looking model.